Hey, Toosters and two bets. But we back on this sale tray. The Buick Centurion, man. About got him wrapped up. Man. My guy Hack finishing up the wire, the alarm, remote start. What else we did on that? The cell phone app, GPS tracking, convertible top LEDs, man. So we got all of this about wrapped up, man. The system, everything is about knocked out. So we finishing up the last tail end on this one. Of course, we did the P3s. Got the amps and stuff in the back there. Flushed off the trunk. We waiting on the bumpers to come back from chrome. Once they come back from chrome, man, that gets slapped on. And this car here will be about done, son. So on this one here, we're doing 4 6.5s. 4 6.5s, 2 tweeters, 2 12s. So we're doing a...
No, you're doing 6 6.5, ain't you?
2 4 6. 6 6.5. Damn, what I said, 4?
Yeah, I was thinking about it too.
6 6.5s. So we're doing a pair on the side of the console on each side, a pair in the kick panels, and we did 2 in the back here, in the rears, which should sound really, really good, man. My guy Round did the motor in this one, and hooked up the vintage air. So he got the vintage air, he got the Dakota digital. This is for the top up, top down. All of the LEDs, of course. Shout out to my boy Cosmo and Big Bozzy on the 1s and 2s, man. Great customers. Real patient, man, and listen. They listen. So I definitely appreciate that. So on this one here, man, we end up choosing the distressed. We end up choosing the distressed brown on this one here. And we did that strawberry stitching. Everything got the strawberry stitching. Went back clean with the OG pattern. We just didn't bring the pleats all the way up, man. We blocked it off at the half here and then just made a nice little floop so it could follow the door panel floop here. This nice and clean. Put all the factory trim back on. I made him a custom armrest here. Boom, as you can see, it got the Buick logos lasered on here. So he can put whatever he need in there. Cell phone, change, wallet. You ain't got to put everything in the cup holders. So we made that custom little trick for him with the soft close. You see it. Then it folds back up and look factory. So that was one of the new little dope tricks we did add, man. Added a pull on here as well. Just made it clean, man. Put a couple hinges on it. Nothing crazy. Like you say, it is what it is, man. We went with the Kenwood. Tweeters on the top. Navigation. You name it, man. You name it. Costco wasn't playing, man. Then he did the 26-inch forges on here. He did the 26-inch forges. Shout out to the rim lady, man. You know, she made sure he had what he needed. Did the strawberry windows. And of course, Round did the LS3 setup on this one. Next, we'll take it, get it all detailed, clean back up. We also put a top on it. We put a new convertible top. Put that wine color top on there to make it all match. But she coming out really clean. I really like this one, man. This is the first time I've done a Buick Centurion. He coming. Buick Centurion. Alarm. CompuStar on this one. Got remote start. Everything worked, man. Heck ain't come out here to play. Heck ain't come out here to play, man. And it also got the what is it? The drone, right? We added the drone to it, so that way you can track your car every minute of the day, long as you got a Wi-Fi signal. You can pull up your app and tell you exactly what street your ride is on. It'll tell you what your coordinates is, how fast you going, if your doors is open, everything, man. It's a really cool app, man, and it's definitely a safety mechanism that I don't miss on my ride. I'm gonna tell you that now. I got to have it on my rides. Right. So it's a great add-on to have. If you get the alarm system and all of that, but I won't do it without. I'm gonna tell you that now. So, like I say, man, we wrapping it up, man. He finishing up all of the alarm, grounding the batteries, 2 batteries. Go ahead and putting them both up front, so that way we can easily service them if one to go bad or whatnot. You ain't got to take the whole trunk apart to be able to get to one battery. So that's about that on that, man. I think it came out super clean, man. What you think, Hecko?
Oh, yeah,
she clean. It's about time for him to pop the top and feel the breeze. My boy ain't got no hair, but hey, let the wind blow through his scalp. Let it blow through the scalp. He bald like me. So yeah, man, rounded the big brakes, man. The QA1 suspension, front and rear coilovers. Yeah. So of course, they spent the bag, so they got to get a bag. So we'll definitely be finishing up the body bag for it next week for him and Miss Bozzy. We got to get them matching duffel bags, man. They were some of the coolest customers I ever had. Buick Centurion, man. So if you see one, got his floor mats. Waiting on the trunk weather stripping. It's down to the last little nitty gritty, man. Put the rest of the trim on around the wheels and the mirrors, and shoot, he out of here once these bumpers come in. Y'all see it. It's time to get this thing detailed. Been a couple corners, and he done, son. So yeah, man, that's about that on this one. I dig it. He like it, I love it. Y'all know what I say, man. It always look better going than coming. Y'all remember what it looked like when it came. But ain't no more of that. So, follow the finished product on this one here, man. It will be a part 2 on this one here. Once we get everything done, the bumpers is on, fully cleaned up, system playing. The whole 9, man. So in the meantime, in between time, man, y'all hold it in the road. Stay out them ditches. And I'll be back in a minute. That is one clean car, boy. I must admit, boy, I ain't never did no Buick Centurion. Boy, I never looked at these donk cousins. That's a donk cousin, but they aight.
How they price-wise?
I ain't sure.
Well, I was curious if they're cheaper.
They got to be cheaper. Man, they done ran the price up on these donks ridiculous. But I dig it. Look, just as good, nice and clean. Oh, Grandpa don't. Sheesh.